Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually crop an image on Microsoft PowerPoint. So in the previous video we went ahead and created this cute German Shepherd puppy, just prompting Copilot within PowerPoint here. And if you want to know how to do this, I have a video on it, but a quick version of it, you just come over here to Insert, come over here to Pictures, hit the drop down, come over here to Generate an Image, and then you'll have a series of prompts you need to go through in order to get the image that you're looking for. So now that we have our dog, let's say that we're just looking to crop out its little paws here, and we just want its face and then a little bit below their neck. So to do this, let's go ahead and click on our image. So left click our image, and now that it's selected, we should have this picture format option on our ribbon. Come over here to the crop option, which is under size. And if you click on this drop down, you have a few different options here. You can actually crop to a specific size, or I'm sorry, a specific shape, or you can do things like changing the aspect ratio. You can add in a fill or a fit, but we're just going to go ahead and select the standalone crop option. Now that we do that, we're going to get a view that looks like this. The original image actually had in, you see kind of more of a background here. You can see some grass and trees and things like that, but I actually just want to go ahead and include the doggie's head and his neck, and then we're going to crop out the paws. So let me go ahead and expand it out a little bit more like this. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to go ahead and crop out the feet. So you can see right now, if this works correctly, it should just have its head and its neck and a little bit of the background. Once I'm ready, I'll just go ahead and hit enter. And you can see now we have our cropped puppy. And we can just place it wherever we want to and add in more images if we need to as well. If you don't like the way that your image was cropped, you could always do Control-Z or just hit the undo button a couple times and it'll get you right back to where you were. And no harm, no foul.